Hey love bugs, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ashley if you're tuning in for the first time, and today we'll be doing a beautiful install featuring Ygwigs. Now I'm already anxious to show you this wig. I'm already doing all this in the camera and I haven't even gotten to the wig. This is going to be literally a 2-minute, 1-minute, 30-second install because we are doing a headband wig today, and you probably didn't even guess. This one looks so amazing. So we're going to be doing a headband wig, and it does come with the lace parting. So you'll see what I used to make it look a little bit more natural and flatten it out. And then it came with a nice, beautiful wavy texture, but you'll see also how I got this beautiful curl. So we're going to be doing some curls today, and as you guys can see, we definitely did not disappoint. So if you're interested in seeing how we got this look, the vibe, and all of that, I'm also going to give you two options as far as camouflaging and covering the headband on top if you want to do that as well. So if you're interested in seeing how we got this look, keep on watching.
Yeah, I don't want to slow down, I don't want to slow down, I don't want to slow down till I burn out. I just want to live fast, I don't want to look back and say I could have done more than I did not. Sometimes it can be hard, yeah, it can be hard, yeah, it can be hard when you grow up. People fill you with doubt, you start thinking about what you're gonna do now. But we only got one chance and got one life to live, and it's do or die, gotta make it count. So lose your worries, let your problems go on until my whole body burns out. I ain't never gonna slow down. I don't wanna waste time on fake friends. I just wanna get high, just wanna get high, just wanna get higher. Sometimes people will try to hold you back from being who you want to. Don't be questioning why, do whatever feels right, find your passion and fight. Cause we only got one chance and got one life to live, and it's do or die, gotta make it count. So lose your worries, let your problems go on until my whole body burns out. I ain't never gonna slow down. Let your problems go on until my whole body burns out.
Let me level with you, let me be in your crew. I just wanna be free, be with people like me. I'm so not in the mood to be broken and blue. I just wanna go dance, baby find me some romance. I don't wanna talk tonight, I don't wanna waste another night. I just wanna hit the floor, maybe somewhere I haven't been before. I don't wanna kill the vibe, I don't wanna feel it if it don't feel right. I just wanna break the ice. There's so much more to life than tears. There's so much more to life than fears. All I want is a night off, all I need is a night off. All I want is a night off. Ooh. Take it away, take it away, take it away. Do it my way, do it my way, do it my way. Free from the
baby, I like you. My baby, I die for you. See you, you know I see you. My baby, you know I ride with you. My baby, I don't cover that, I die for you. I pray to the Lord, I rise to the Lord, gonna greet the Lord. I pray to the Lord, Fatumata Jambele. Everything being safe again, everything for your Jambele, oh Jambele, oh yeah. You are not a friend of me, no. Baby, you mean more to me, more to me. You are not a friend of me, no. Baby, you mean more to me, more to me. Ooh. Promise, Bobby, call you back, yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah. You looking like me, oh yeah, oh yeah. You see me be like, I'm not a naughty rider. Let me please you right tonight. Don't make plans tonight, yeah, yeah. But get it, come here to me, come here to me, let's go. Come to me, Fatumata Jambele, oh Lord. The Fatumata Jambele, oh Jambele, oh. I pray to the Lord, I rise to the Lord, gonna greet the Lord. I pray to the Lord, Fatumata Jambele. Everything being safe again, everything for your Jambele, oh Jambele, oh yeah.
So I think we slayed this look. This one came from Ygwigs. You guys already know it's up and it's stuck with us. I love this company, and that's why I always work with them, because they have some bomb wigs. Now you guys have seen me do headband wigs plenty of times on this channel. The last few times I did headband wigs, I want to say maybe the last 2 or 3 times, I don't know, I gotta go back and look. But I love when the headband wigs come with this lace parting. It gives, I have on a lace closure or a lace frontal wig, and I just wanted to put a headband around the hairline to not have to do manipulation. Maybe I'm going to the gym, maybe I'm running errands, but it doesn't give like cheap affordable wig. It gives nice quality wig. I just threw a headband on top. So this is what it looks like when you curl the hair, and this is what I'm talking about, why it's up and it's stuck with us. I love the fact that their wigs actually come with quality hair. Even though this is meant to be a like low maintenance, quick, easy install, like protect your hair, no leave out, but also not have to bond anything down or worry about anything lifting. And they still paid attention to making sure that the actual hair was quality. I did go in with my, I want to say this is a 2-inch, and it's from Ion, and it goes up to 450. It is a big barrel curling iron, and this bad boy did amazing. You guys, if you follow and watch all of my videos, then you know I've used this curling iron a couple times over the last couple of years. And sometimes, like some wigs honestly don't hold a curl with this wig, and as you guys can see, the curl held amazing. I did start off in the beginning doing pin curls, because again, sometimes this wig, or not this wig, but sometimes this curling iron just doesn't hold a curl. And we all know one of the hacks to making sure that your curls hold is to go ahead and pin it so that it dries or cools in that curled state, and that way you can let them cool completely and set completely and then take it down. But once I did 2 or 3, I realized that the curl was going to hold on its own and I didn't need to do that extra step. So that is a tip for you guys, but again, it's up and it's stuck with us because that's not needed. So I'm going to show you really quickly what they included, because I'm going to actually rock it with this headband. But first, the camera is about to die. I don't know why. I just changed the battery, but let me change the battery, and then we're gonna go ahead and put a headband around so we can dress it up and make it real cute. We are back. So this is the headband here. They also included a baby hairbrush, wig caps. They included 2 of these, like are they brown? It's like a chocolate brown ombre situation, but they're cute little duckbill clips. They actually included 2. I know you guys heard the other one dropped, so just know there's 2 of those. And then a cute little melt belt. This one is definitely wide enough to go on top. Okay, so this is what it looks like with the wig band. Now the only thing I say about this, if you want to put it to the front of the wig band, you can't, or the headband, you can't see the wig band through. So sometimes you can like flip the band so that it's smaller or thinner, and then it goes perfect. Or you can twist it around and put that thin piece in the back so that you can not have to necessarily flip it up or anything like that, and it goes. I personally like the milk belt on top of it first, because like this, I would definitely want to pull everything back a little bit so that it doesn't give like earmuffs vibes, but like I prefer it a little bit thinner. But I'm just grateful that they gave us this option. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share with your friends. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches!